What's up YouTube, it's Nejc Filipič here, welcome back, and today I'm gonna show you how to actually edit your videos for free. So first of all, I wanna show this website where you get the editor. It's blackmagicdesign.com, and from this, if you go to products, you can see they're selling cameras, but I'm gonna go right into the DaVinci Resolve. So you just press here, or you just type this one at the top, and you press download. So this one is free version, and this one is you have to pay for it. So when I bought a camera, Blackmagic, I actually get this one. So that's a kind of like a key for studio version, but you can even work in without studio version. So just gonna plug this in my computer. Here we go, and go to to Resolve. And now this is the studio as far as you can see. So because I have the key, I can actually go it. But if you don't want to pay, just go to the first one to Resolve and download this one. Okay, so that's it. Let's go now to editing. Take some time to boot up and so on. Take some time because it's extremely good program and so on. So let's just press update, that won't take. So we have these are the projects. So we're just gonna create a new project. Just create a name and so on. Okay, so here we go. So first of all, I'm gonna select few videos. So I have here web camera right here. So what you do is hold and put it into this part which says no clips in media pool. And if you want to change the resolution, you press change, which means that it's gonna be the same resolution as this clip. Okay, so another one, I have this one, that's recordings and so on. And this one I have even recording, so just gonna put it here. Okay, so we put inside here everything that we want to work with. So we have workspaces here. You can actually close and open specific items by clicking these buttons. So right now everything is open. Okay, so let's start. So this is the timeline, and I want to start with this video. If I double press it, I will actually can see right here. I can actually preview it. Damn son. And you just hold it and put it right here. So this is the timeline. This is where entire movie is gonna be edited here. So if you move this red button or red slider, it's gonna go through the time through entire video. So it's not that complex right now, but let's get started. So let's say you want to edit it, we can hold the edge and move it towards the line, which means that I just removed everything before this. So you can now put it back to the beginning, and if you press spacebar, you will see that it's actually starting to be normal. Let's say you want to cut out something, you just press the blade, this is the blade tool, and just cut it here, cut it here, cut it here, go back to the mouse tool, and now we can delete this one, for example, and you can have a cut out specific part of the video. So it's actually extremely simple. That's what you do. The top one is video, and the lower one is the volume. When you speak, for example, you can either put it volume up and turn the volume down. That's completely up to you. Okay, so let's say I'm gonna want to end the movie right here. I'm just gonna put this one back to mouse and press delete. Okay, so on the left side we have a toolbox. We have transitions, audio transitions, title. So let's go to title, let's select text and move it to here. This is if you want to make a text, and you just press the inspector and you can type hi, how are you, for example, and remove the inspector and put this above the video, which means that right now you're gonna have like that. And let's pay back to inspector. You can change the color to black, for example. As far as you can see, it's okay. Or maybe if you want to have a stroke, I'm just gonna try the stroke right now, like that, and put the color back to white. I mean to white, not to black. We have a white with a stroke right here. You can even move it like that. So you see it's white inside and the stroke is around. So you can even move this around. As far as you can see, when you go right with this timeline to here, you can see that it's gonna show you a kind of like it's gonna show this text and so on. Okay, so that's actually extremely simple. If you have a music, for example, let me just find one. To the music, for example. You hold it and move it below here. You can even put it here first and then from here put it below, or you just directly go below. So if I play now video, it's gonna be music, right? So you can even put volume down. It's still music, but it's very silent. And because of here right now, we can see it's actually go way more than the video is long. So right now it's gonna select the blade, cut it right here with the blade, got back to, and remove it. Okay, so we have a video, a bit of that, a bit of this, and let's put a bit more advanced technique. So right here on the top, it's me. Okay. So right now we have a fix here. Let me just check out, open fix. We have a keying, it's called. Let's go search. I'm not sure if that's it. No, it's not. Okay, but anyway, the point is that you can move this right now if you press transform with this button. We could actually move it. For example, I have green screen in the background, but at current position I'm not able to find it. But yeah, let's say that that's how we wanna be. Put it right here, select this again so you can't move it anymore. And okay, so it's actually me speaking. Perfect, right? Actually, that's it. So how do you export it? Well, first go select this one, so press something inside, go to the lever. On the left side you already have YouTube and so on, so let's say I want to save the YouTube. I'm gonna save the location. Okay, that's okay. The name. And add to render queen, which means it's gonna put whatever we set it here, it's gonna put it on the right side. You can do multiple times, you can select for this one, and when you press this button, it's gonna put it right here. And when you press the start rendering, it's gonna make video, it's gonna progress sometime, but at the end it's gonna be video. Okay, so that's actually extremely simple how to do it. By the way, guys, my name is Nejc Filipič, and it's next time, goodbye.